How to retrieve account on Mobile Legends. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on your name all the way to the left corner. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on account, which is all the way to the last option. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on account center. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to scroll this down a little bit, and you're gonna have to look under account security and click on retrieve account. I was going to tell you to rotate your phone. Then once you do that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on in-game verification, and you're gonna have to put your server ID and your in-game name. So for your server ID, you're just gonna go back to your account, cut this off. You're gonna have to cross this out. You're gonna have to go back, and right here, this is your server ID right here. So just copy that, go back to the website, and make sure you also remember your username right here. Now from here, just click on confirm. Look, so I just made this account, so they're gonna say the information is correct because they don't have it in their system yet. But if you do have an old account, you could just click on confirm. Now from there, you're gonna have to answer a few questions. It's not that hard. Then it's gonna tell you to verify, and you're gonna be able to retrieve your account. So if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.